This concludes the content of this lecture. With that, we have covered all the material for the entire course. It is now time to say goodbye. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you who studied this course diligently. Your dedication to learning is the best reward for the time and effort I have spent on developing this course. I hope this course is helpful to you to provide you with a solid understanding of reinforcement learning. Some students have left comments online asking if I could cover more algorithms. Indeed, there are many other excellent RL algorithms, but due to time and energy constraints, I couldn't cover all of them. After all, you can't learn everything from a single course. There are many other online tutorials and papers. I don't think it's necessary to reinvent the wheel. My goal was to lay a solid foundation for you. If you study this course thoroughly, I believe you will be able to navigate through other tutorials and papers with ease in the future. This lecture is the end of this course, but for you, it marks the beginning of a new chapter in the field of reinforcement learning. I wish you all the best in your future studies, research, life, and work. Since we won't have another lecture, there's no see you next time. But we may cross paths again someday in the future. Goodbye, and I wish you all the best.